welcome to Shatton's Bike World 2019 channel. Today's video is on the winter weather advisory now. And also hazardous weather outlook. I hate having to do these. I got to do them too. Winter weather advisory in effect from 1 p.m. this afternoon to 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Tuesday at 1. Precipitation expected. Total snow accumulations of up to 2 inches. Ice accumulations up to 2/10 of an inch, where portions of northwest to western Virginia. 1 p.m. this afternoon to 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Tuesday. Plan on slippery road conditions. Hazardous conditions good impact for evening and morning commute. Slow down and use caution while traveling. Slow down and use caution while traveling. When venturing outside, watch your first few steps taken on steps, sidewalks, and driveways, which could be icy and slippery, increasing your risk of a fall and injury. Alright, guys. And I gotta be quiet because thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, everybody. Like this video, leave comments down below. Press the notification bell so I don't miss any more videos.